इलाही ने मुझे फ़ोन किया था कि एक फ़िल्म है जो नागेश बना रहे हैं और उसमें एक किरदार है, तो मैं आकर आपको मिलना चाहती हूँ। सो इलाही आकर मुझे मिली और उन्होंने मुझे वन लाइन सुनाई एंड माई फर्स्ट रिएक्शन टू द वन लाइन वॉज, ये कहानी बतानी ही चाहिए, इट्स अ स्टोरी दैट हैज़ टू बी टोल्ड. And then I read the script and all that, and it was actually as simple as that. In one day it was like, of course I'll do it, you know, it was as simple as that.
There was a party at a friend's place, a bus star वाला pre-Christmas party, और मैं वहाँ अपने बाकी बहुत ही talented fellow musicians के साथ party में गई थी, and we were jamming there. And तो नागेश सर ऐसे सामने सोफे पे बैठे हुए थे और मैं नीचे बैठ के ऐसे we were just singing, jamming. And I was really intimidated कि मेरे सामने one of my favorite directors is sitting. And I was thinking कि मैं कैसे जाके उनको बोलूँ कि Sir, I'm a huge fan of yours. But मैं जाके बोलूँ उससे पहले I see that he's staring at me. तो throughout the party he stared at me and I couldn't understand कि क्यों देख रहे, इतनी देर तक क्यों देख रहे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कपड़े में प्रॉब्लम है, क्या है, गाना गलत गा रही हूँ, अंधा गा रही हूँ, क्या है. After 1 month I get to know that I understood कि क्यों देख रहे थे. He called and he asked कि Ma, would you wanna act? Would you wanna try acting in one of my films? I was like, is this really happening to me? मुझे लगा गाना गाने के लिए बोल रहे, but he just said, would you wanna act? I would love to try, sir. Then he said, would you like to give an audition? I said, I would love to, sir. Then अगले दिन मैं गई ऑफिस में and I gave an audition, and then after 2 days I got to know that I'm doing लक्ष्मी. और तब ऑडिशन में मैंने एक सीन किया था तो मुझे समझ में आ गया था. दे गेव मी अ स्मॉल ब्रीफ, तो तब समझ में आया था थोड़ा सा कि व्हाट इज दिस फिल्म अबाउट. सो ऑफ कोर्स फॉरगेटिंग नो, आई वाज एक्साइटेड एंड हैप्पी. आई कांट इवन एक्सप्रेस हाउ मच.
फिल्म की शुरुआत हो रही थी. इनफैक्ट जब स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ी तो मैंने नागेश से कहा था कि वन ऑफ द वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस एंड कॉन्वर्सेशंस ऑन दिस. तो एक चीज़ ये थी कि एज एन एक्टर हम खुद की ज़िंदगी में कुछ लोगों से हम मिले हैं, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स से हम मिले हैं, वो सारे रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स यूज़ कर वी पोर्ट्रे कैरेक्टर्स. वी ऑलवेज यूज वी यू नो हम लोग सब सेव करते हैं, स्टोर करते रहते हैं. बट इस कैरेक्टर को करना वॉज नॉट ईजी सिंपली बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर मेट अ पर्सन, आई हैव नॉट मेट दिस वुमन. और मेरे दिमाग में जो मैडम जो टिपिकल ब्रॉथल की मैडम्स होती हैं, वो कैरेक्टर मतलब जो फिल्मों में एक्टर्स ने निभाए हैं, यू नो दैट वाज द इमेज ऑफ इट. सो आई आस्क्ड नागेश, आई सेड या तो मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाओ या आई मीट दीज पीपल, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि वो जो इमेजेस थी वो उस किस्म का रोल आप नहीं चाहते कि मैं प्ले करूं. सो ही सेड नहीं, वो फिल्म्स में जो एक्टर्स ने प्ले किया है वो तो नहीं करना है. दूसरा, आई डोंट वांट यू टू सी यू नो एनी डॉक्यूमेंट्री और मीट देम आइदर. You tell me how you want to play it and we'll play it along together. And bante together we made Jyoti. In fact, एज एन एक्टर मैं 10 ऑप्शंस दे सकती हूँ कि ये इस तरह से भी हो सकता है, ये इस तरह से भी हो सकता है, यू नो ओवर ड्रामेटाइज्ड हो सकता है. शी कुड बी अ कैरिकेचरिस्ट, शी कुड बी वेरी लाउड, बट दिस वाज व्हाट आई थॉट वाज द राइट वे फॉर ज्योति. एंड लकीली नागेश एंड मी वर ऑन द सेम पेज. So I was going by his vision as a director, क्योंकि he saw Jyoti the way he saw her, you know. So that's उस तरीके से she became a real person, and I mean we created her, which I think is, yeah, I think this is what we want her to be.
The most beautiful thing that happened was that I think सर नागेश सर ने और इलाही ने बहुत रिसर्च की है इस टॉपिक पे, on the subject and on people. They are the only ones जिन्होंने जो they have met these people. As ma'am said, we didn't meet them. So na Lakshmi jo real life Lakshmi hai, I have not met her. So I also didn't have any reference point. Na maine life mein kisi, even for that matter, ek prostitute se kabhi interact kiya hai. I would love to, but I didn't get the scope. So I didn't know how they are in real lives. So as I said, there's a beautiful thing that happened. That was, I think I could figure out what Sir had in his head as Lakshmi, what he had in his mind for Lakshmi. कि वो उसकी आवाज़, उसका body language, how she portrays confidence. अगर आप लोग मूवी जब देखोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि her strength is in her silence. सो आई रिमेंबर सर मुझे ऐसे गाइड करते थे कि माँ एक नॉच कम, I'm delivering something, so he's saying thoda sa kam ma, thoda sa zyada ma, like this used to measure, like as if there's a measuring tape. So which was so helpful, and the beautiful thing is that I think I got it. So I was really happy and thankful to God that okay, thank God I'm understanding what he's asking of me. So I think aise hi in the process we discovered Lakshmi every single day while we were doing. Probably I had been really nice in my life or something that I actually acted with her in my first film, to actually be able to act with an actor of this caliber. I'm a movie buff, and I do not sorry, I'm not being boastful, but I do not like actors so easily. I'm being snobbish maybe, but I'm being just genuine.
You're being honest.
But she has been, not just me, my family is one of our favorite actors, not because she's standing beside us, but आप लोगों को पता है कि मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ. And when I was acting, it's my first film and it's an intense film. I can't tell you how easy it becomes when you have actors like this who उनको देख के आप inspired होके you just spontaneously react. So I completely reacted to when whatever scenes we had, I reacted to what she did, and she was so honest with every single scene of hers that there was no other option but to react. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था सच्ची में हो रहा है मेरे साथ, you know.
जब ये फिल्म ऑफर की गई थी मुझे, that was, जैसे मैंने कहा, my first reaction was ये कहानी बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है. As a celebrity, as an actor, आपको कोई NGO के इवेंट में बुलाए, आप कहीं जाकर एक भाषण दे, आप कहीं जाकर एक स्पीच दे, उससे ये बहुत अलग है. Because we as actors have the power to portray a message which we believe in. That is the first position. That is the first step. I was brave enough to say, I mean, you know what? I can play this role. Like, honestly, in fact, my 10-year-old asked me, you know, Mama, what is this film? मुझे देखनी है. I said, बेटा आप नहीं देख सकते. So he said, what is it about? So I said, it's about flesh trade. You're too young to watch it. तो अगर ये अडल्ट फिल्म है तो आपने क्यों की? I said, बच्चा, because it takes a lot. We are in the position, so why not use that position to send a word across? और ये कहानी सिर्फ लक्ष्मी की नहीं है. It's about exploitation against all women, and all women can stand up and fight for it. You know, so I think this is the first step. Where we go from here, and it's not going to change overnight. It's not going to change overnight. I mean, when they have candle marches, why do people do it? It's not like कि वो एक candle से फर्क पड़ेगा. But everybody has a thought, ना? जब आप rape का एक article पढ़ते हो, it leaves you with a thought, right? As a parent, when I read it, अगर मेरी बेटी होती तो मैं अपनी बेटी को protect करती. लेकिन मेरे बेटे हैं, so I will teach my children, starting from my house, कि बेटा you are good, but a woman is as equal as you are. So don't ever try to show her down. You know, it's a small step, and that's how it is for now.
See, I believe film, television, celluloid, all these, they have a lot of impact on people. जनता जब देखते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा वो लोग पर्सनल हो जाते हैं. When they watch a film, किसी एक्टर के साथ या स्टार या सेलिब्रिटी के साथ कुछ हो रहा है, they get personal. So because they get affected so much, I feel storytelling is more impactful for films and television and celluloid. So I think that is probably one of the biggest steps that Sir and we all hope we will be successful in that way. We have taken probably to spread a message and awareness that every single Indian, for that matter, अभी तो मैं India के बारे में ही बोलूँगी क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा affected है India. ये को लेके badly. So yeah, it's basically to spread a little bit of awareness and through the story of one girl. But मैं एक change जो मेरे अंदर आया था, I realized later on was I had said this in one of the college screenings, is that मेरे घर में एक maid आती थी and there were 2 kids. She had 2 kids, girls. She used to send those kids for work. I never paid that much of attention that it's child labor, but I don't know, probably ये अंदर होता है. अगर आप probably movie देखोगे या ऐसा कुछ incident अगर आप घटते हुए देखोगे as a story, then you get moved in certain ways जो समझ में नहीं आता. बाद में कुछ actions आप खुद करते हो कि आपको समझ में आता है अरे वो उसने affect किया, इसलिए मैं ऐसे सोच रही हूँ कि child labor is wrong. I took it seriously. So that small awareness occurred in me that I realized, which is very important for the entire nation to have and feel. So I think that's why I am all the more requesting people to watch this film.